Hey everyone, what's up? It's Nick here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and add in the image that you've gone ahead and image mapped to your website. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then in my last video I showed you guys how you can go ahead and image map your images inside of Adobe Fireworks CS4. And anyway, today I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and take those images that you've image mapped with Fireworks and how to add them to your website through HTML. So anyway, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about on how to image map inside of Fireworks, make sure to click the link in the video's description to go ahead and watch that video before you go ahead and watch this video. So anyway, just go ahead and click that link, which will be in the description, and then once you're done watching that, just come back here. Alright, so anyway, now we're back here, and now we want to go ahead and take the images that we've gone ahead and created in Fireworks and the images that we've image mapped in Fireworks, and we want to go ahead and add them to our website. So anyway, we're going to start off from basically some scratch. So here I have my two images. I have my GIF image and my HTML image, which are the two images that we've gone ahead and image mapped inside of Fireworks that we've gone ahead and exported to the GIF and HTML format. So if I go ahead and open up the HTML format, as you notice, this is what the banner looks like. And as you notice, I can go ahead and click on these links right here to go ahead and bring me to my pages and stuff like that. So let's say I want to go ahead and add these to my website. So to go ahead and add them to my website, I'm just going to start a new HTML project from scratch. So I'm going to right click, new folder, and I'm going to create it my website. And in there, I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder and create an images folder, which is going to be where we store our other images, such as our background image and other kinds of stuff. So for my background image, I'm going to use just a blank black background image, which I have somewhere else on my folder. So let me just go ahead and find that for you. I believe I have it in this folder right here. So yeah, here it is right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, go into images, and paste in my black background image. So there's my black background image in there. Now you guys might be thinking we're going to take these two images and put them in there. Well, we're not. So anyway, first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and open up our text document or our editor of any choice. So just use your HTML editor of choice. You can use Dreamweaver or Notepad or TextPad or anything else. I'm going to use TextMate down here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to go down here to where it says plain text and change it to HTML, and I'm going to start coding my web page in HTML. So I've got a web page that I've coded here in HTML that I'm just going to take all my stuff and copy it from, just so I don't have to waste you guys' time. So I'm just going to go ahead and here where it says HTML and header, I'm going to copy everything down to the header image. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this stuff, and I closed out of my normal TextMate document. So I'm going to go in there and got to change it back to HTML, and I'm going to paste it in. So as you notice, I have my basic starting HTML tab, I have my header tab, and then I have the title of my page, and then I have my body, my background color, and my text color, and then I have my background, my background image, which is going to be that black background which we've gone ahead and shown before. So once we've gone ahead and have that, now the next step is to go ahead and add in your banner image. So to go ahead and do that, what you think you might be doing is what you would normally do instinctively for HTML is you would take these two and you would drag them into the images folder. But that's not the case, because I tried that and it didn't work and I didn't know what happened. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the GIF image and your HTML image and take them and drag them into the main website folder. So like this, don't drag them into the images folder, drag them into the main website folder. So as you notice here, you have a GIF image and your HTML image. Now you want to take that HTML image and you want to open it up with your HTML editor of choice. So I'm going to open it with TextMate, and then as you notice, you'll have these lines of code right here. So as you can see here, we're going to be focusing on the codes that say IMG, all these codes down here, and we're going to be focusing on the map codes right here. But as you notice, if you just go ahead and select all this and copy it, and then if you paste it into your HTML editor of choice, it won't work because you'll have to separate the codes first. So to go ahead and separate the codes, you just want to go over here to where the image code splits from the map code, which is right in here. Hit enter 2 times to go ahead and separate them through lines of code. Then go ahead and select the image tag as well as the map tags right here. Then go ahead and copy them, and go back to your HTML page and then go ahead and paste them in, and then there you go, your image is inserted into your web page. And so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to close out the center tag, and then you can go ahead and put something else in. So I'm just going to put in a little paragraph saying this is my website. Then I'm going to close that out. Then I'm going to close out the body. And then I'm going to close out the HTML, but I didn't close it out, I just added in a new one. So there, I'm going to go ahead and close out the HTML. And so there we have it. We just have our basic web page. And so now we just want to go ahead to File, Save As, and we're going to save it as index.html to our file. So here's my website file. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. And then it'll save it to our thing as index.html. So as you notice, if we go in here, this is the My Website folder. Just to show you, I'm going to click in it again. As you notice here, we have a file that says index.html, which is the file that we save. If I go ahead and open that up in Chromium, as you notice, this is what we coded right here. We have our banner, which we've gone ahead and image mapped with fireworks, which are those two images. And then we have whatever's on our web page. I just have this is my website for a test. And as you notice, the links up here work. So if I go ahead and click on videos, as you notice, it brings me to my videos page, and if I go ahead and hover over them, as you see, all the links are hyperlinked, and you can go ahead and click on these. And so anyway, that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you go ahead and take the image that you've image mapped in Fireworks and how to insert it into an HTML page as the header of your website. Now, I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and insert these for any other parts of your website, but I just used the banner because I like having an image mapped banner. So anyway, that's how you go ahead and do it. If you guys missed on how to image map in Fireworks, the link is down in the video's description. Alright, if you guys have any more suggestions for videos, feel free to go ahead and leave them in the comments below, or feel free to go ahead and check me out at my newly designed website. The link will be in the video description as well. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.